Want to build wealth in your 20s? It's not just about saving. It's about making smart financial moves that set you up for life. Here are 7 powerful habits that can transform your financial future. 1. Quit drinking. Cutting out alcohol isn't just good for your health, it's great for your wallet. The money you save can be invested in things that actually grow your wealth. 2. Learn a high-income skill. Saving is important, but increasing your income is a game changer. Master skills like sales, copywriting, or content creation to boost your earning potential. 3. Invest a fixed amount weekly. No matter how small, commit to investing a set amount every week. Over time, this habit builds wealth and financial discipline. 4. Surround yourself with success. Spend time in high-end cafes or hotels. Observe how successful people think, act, and network. Exposure to wealth changes your mindset. 5. Pay off credit card debt fast. Credit card interest is a wealth killer. Prioritize clearing your balances to avoid paying unnecessary interest and free up money for investments. 6. Invest in self-education. Your knowledge determines your earning power. Read books, take online courses, and attend seminars to level up your skills. 7. Increase your investment percentage. Start by investing a small percentage of your income and gradually increase it. Aim to invest 50 to 70% of your earnings in your 20s to build long-term wealth. Wealth isn't built overnight, but these habits can fast-track your success. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your financial future transform. What's one habit you'll start implementing today? Let me know in the comments, subscribe or stay dumb.